Hey, what's going on? Welcome to Backyard Smoke. It's your host, James, and I'm back for you guys today with another wild game cook in our wild game series. Today, let me show you guys what we're working with. We have 8-ounce elk burgers from Fossil Farms. These things look excellent, super red, very lean. And what we're going to do is we're going to throw these on the Weber Kettle. So let me show you how you're going to season these. And I'll meet you guys out on the grill. Okay guys, so this is going to be a real simple season. All we're going to do is have a mix of pink Himalayan salt, some pepper, a little bit of garlic, and some smoked paprika for flavor. As you can see, these are really good. It's going to give us a nice crust. All we're going to do is just sprinkle this on here. The goal is for the meat to speak, the meat and the smoke. And I'm going to show you guys how we're going to set the grill up. This is going to be great. I'm not going to use any binder. We're going to let these just sit here. They're still cold, not frozen. So we're going to pat these in. Flip them, and then just hit it again on both sides. And I'm gonna show you guys how we're gonna hook these up on the grill. So we're gonna let these just kind of marinate in this little bit of seasoning for a few minutes, and I'll see you guys outside. All right guys, so while we're letting the burgers rest with the seasoning on them, what we're going to go ahead and do is start making our bourbon barbecue sauce. Now I'm just going to show you guys the ingredients that we're using here, and then I'm also going to link a description to the full video of that up here in the right hand corner, as well as in the notes below. So feel free to check that video out too. I guarantee you're going to like it, and it's going to make your burger taste amazing. And yes, we really do use bourbon, and we really do add a lot of smoke. But this is just a list of the ingredients that you'll need and how you'll sauce it up. You gotta check the video out to see how we add the smoke in. So I'll check you guys back in a minute, and we're going to head to the grill as soon as this saucepan is boiling. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys how we got this grill set up. We got our hardwood lump charcoal from the Cowboy over here, still burning off a last few, but it's top white. It's sitting inside our vortex that we have upside down. So what we're going to do now is take our Weber cast iron. We're going to put this right over here and let it get up to temp. We're going to sear our hamburgers on this side and move them on for indirect over here. So we're gonna let this heat up about 10 more minutes, and I'll be right back. All right, so everything is ready. If you ever see, I use one of these to kind of give you an idea. We're hitting at about 515 right now. I don't know if you can see that or not. It changes as I move, so 530s. So that's really good. That's where we want to be. Scoot this over just a little bit more. What we're going to do is put these for a sear for 2.5 minutes each side. All right, so it's been 2.5 minutes. Let's take a look. Yeah. So scoot him over a little bit more. And wait for another 2.5 minutes. We might go about 3 minutes on this time. These are 8-ounce burgers, so we're not in no hurry. Then we'll pull them in direct. All right, so take a look. Yeah, that char is nice. So what we're going to do, slide these in direct over here. Do a quick temp check with the ThermoPro. Looking for a tip. We're going to pull these at 140. So once these reach 140, we're going to pull them, let them rest, and and go from there. So the next time you see these, they'll be pulled off the grill. All right, barbecue family, we are back, and these burgers are done. Look at these. These are wonderful. Nice charred. We pulled them at 140 on the dot. Let them rest for 5 minutes. So now we're going to go ahead and assemble them. What we got here is some smoked Gouda, tomatoes and red onions for the crisp, and we have our homemade bourbon barbecue sauce. Man, I tell you, it's time to go. Also fried up some fried green tomatoes as well. So we're going to cook this up. I mean, this is good. So just going to go ahead, slide these here. You know what? This one looks really good to me. I like this. It's a big burger. Just gonna some more on there. Some Gouda. Tomato. A little bit of onion. You can go on ahead and smack one of these green tomatoes on there if you like as well. This barbecue sauce is smacking, it's banging, y'all. You gotta get some. Let's put that there. I'll cut this up and show you what it looks like. All right, you guys, take a look. This looks delicious. Nice, wonderful elk burger. Can't get no better than that. Alright, so we gotta take a bite of this big old thing. Wow. This is amazing. I mean, the flavors are there from the Himalayan pink salt. The smoke is hitting it well. It's really good. You can really taste the meat. It's not overdone at all. Pull it at 145, 140 is. You go past 145, you're risking losing a good cut. So we pull ours at 140, let it rest and carry over otherwise. But I want to thank you guys again. I mean, this is amazing. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up because I'm hungry. But as always, feel free to subscribe, share, like, and y'all take it easy, man. Until next time.